Hi everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial featuring the alphabet dies. Today we are also going to add some cute critters from the Foxy Friends set. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to build a little deer. I chose to use Stampin Up Stamparatus here because I want to stamp 3 of them, and you'll see how easy it is by using this tool. After I finished stamping the first deer, I took off the plate and I'm placing it 2 hinges to the left. Then I repeated the steps until I get 3 deer shapes. Now it's time to stamp the details. I've already mounted the antlers, the face, and the feet stamps on the other side of the clear plate, so after I flip the plate around, I'm all ready to go. This is one of the features I love about this stamping tool because you actually get 4 sides of space to work with. Then I use the hinge step technique to finish the rest of the stamping. So here are the stamped images after I fussy cut them. For one of the deer, I did fussy cut along his antlers. It takes a little more time, but it's definitely doable with the paper snips. However, you could also just trim along the outline. I also gave them bigger eyes by using the black and white Jelly Roll pens. The lines you get are a lot thicker than your normal black pen. They also dry pretty fast, so you don't have to worry about the ink smearing. I like to add blush to my critters because I think it makes a big difference and they always look extra cute. My go-to method is a Q-tip and pigment ink pads. Just press lightly onto the ink pad and start to dab 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 on your critter. Now we're going to prepare the background. I die cut a white panel with Simon's stamp stitched rectangles nesting dies. Then I embossed it with Stampin' Up's Garden Trellis embossing folder. It's a quick and easy way to achieve a background with a lot of interest without being too distracting. Then we're moving on to die cut the letters. I chose Gold Shimmer cardstock for some extra texture, and I also die cut the letters from plain white fun foam. Simply adhere them with Ranger's Multimedia in the matte finish and you'll get the look of puffy alphabet stickers. I decided to step up the deer card and add some pine trees as well. For the last part of the card, I'm going to stamp the sentiment with a Labeler Alphabet set. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Until next time, bye!